The Analog Devices EV-COG-AD4050LZ Development Kit, available from Mouser Electronics, is a modular Internet of Things development platform based on the AD-UCM4050 ultra-low power microcontroller with integrated power management for processing, control and connectivity. The MCU system is based on the ARM Cortex M4F processor, a collection of digital peripherals, embedded SRAM and flash memory, and an analog subsystem which provides clocking, reset and power management capability in addition to the analog to digital converter subsystem. The AD-UCM4050 has industry-leading ultra-low power, which makes it ideal for developing battery-powered and self-powered wireless sensor nodes. The COG platform uses cross-core embedded studio, an open-source Eclipse-based IDE, which can be downloaded free of charge. The platform contains many hardware and software example projects to make it easier for customers to prototype and create connected systems and solutions for Internet of Things applications. The kit, which can be powered by USB, coin cell, lithium-ion or external power, has a small form factor of 75 by 35 mm and includes an onboard accelerometer and temperature sensor. It is compatible with ADI RF daughter cards, RF modules and add-on boards, and has expansion connectors and jumpers for providing external access to all MC signals. For more information on the Analog Devices EV-COG-AD4050LZ Development Kit, visit Mouser.com.